Welcome to the final video in this 6-part affiliate marketing series. Over the past few videos, we've taken a deep dive into the world of affiliate marketing, exploring the essential steps to build a successful online business. So far, you've learned how to pick the right niche, choose top converting products, build simple funnels, and drive daily traffic. Each of these steps is crucial in laying a strong foundation for your affiliate marketing journey. But today, we're talking next level. We're going to delve into advanced strategies that will help you take your affiliate marketing business to new heights. In this final video, I'm going to show you how to automate and scale your affiliate business so you can start earning passive income, even while you sleep. Automation is the key to freeing up your time and allowing your business to grow exponentially. If you want to stop trading time for money and build something that pays you every single day, stay locked in. Imagine waking up to see your earnings grow without having to put in extra hours. Let's turn your affiliate system into a real online asset that works even when you don't. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools and knowledge to create a sustainable, automated income stream that can provide financial freedom and flexibility. So get ready to transform your affiliate marketing business into a powerful, passive income machine. Let's get real about passive income. It doesn't mean doing nothing. It means building systems that do the work for you, content that gets views daily, emails that sell automatically, and funnels that never stop working. You build it once and let it work forever. While you focus on scaling or just enjoying life, this is exactly what we're about to build. Step 1. Set up evergreen emails. This is the foundation of your automated funnel system. Evergreen emails are pre-written messages that are sent out automatically based on a schedule or trigger. They work tirelessly in the background, nurturing your leads and guiding them through the customer journey without any additional effort from you. Use a tool like Systeme.io or ConvertKit to create an email sequence that delivers your lead magnet, builds trust with storytelling, educates with helpful tips, and promotes your affiliate product. These tools make it easy to design and automate your email campaigns, ensuring that your messages reach your audience at the right time. An example sequence could be: Day 1, deliver the freebie. This is the initial touch point where you provide value up front, setting the stage for a positive relationship with your subscriber. Day 2, My Story email. Share a personal story that resonates with your audience, building a connection and establishing trust. Day 3, Case study or success story. Highlight a real-life example of how your product or service has made a difference, providing social proof and credibility. Day 4, Introduction to your recommended product. This is where you start to transition from providing value to making a pitch, introducing your audience to the product or service you believe will benefit them. Days 5 through 7, Value and urgency emails. Continue to provide valuable content while also creating a sense of urgency, encouraging your subscribers to take action. Pro tip: use AI tools like ChatGPT to help write these quickly. AI can assist in generating content ideas, drafting emails, and even personalizing messages, saving you time and effort. Step 2, tag and segment your list. This involves categorizing your subscribers based on their behavior, interests, and engagement levels. Send different offers to different people based on what they clicked or downloaded. This targeted approach ensures that your messages are relevant and personalized, increasing the likelihood of conversion. This increases conversions without spamming anyone. By delivering the right message to the right person at the right time, you enhance the customer experience and drive better results for your business. Let's say you create one YouTube video or blog post. Here's how you can multiply it. Turn it into an Instagram reel or TikTok with a 60-second summary. Repurpose key points into a Pinterest pin. Share a tip from the video as a Facebook post. Extract a quote and make a motivational graphic. Send an email to your list with a recap and an affiliate link. Use tools like repurpose.io, Pictory.ai, and Canva to speed up the process. The goal here is to work once and promote everywhere. Once you're earning $200 to $500 a month, it's time to start buying back your time. Here's what you can outsource: video editing on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, email writing using ChatGPT plus a proofreader, Pinterest pin design with Canva templates, and a virtual assistant, and social media posting using tools like Buffer or Metricool. By removing these tasks from your plate, you can focus on strategy and growth, not just busy work. Smart reinvestment equals faster growth. Here's what to reinvest in. Low-budget paid ads, like $5 to $10 a day to test offers. Better tools like autoresponders or premium funnel builders if needed. Coaching or courses to avoid information overload and follow proven paths. And content automation tools like Jasper.ai or Vidnami alternatives. Think of it like this: don't spend your first $100 on shoes. Spend it on growth. That's how people go from $100 a month to $1,000 and then $10,000. Once your first funnel is running passively, create a second funnel for a different product. Build a niche-specific email list and try another traffic source like blogging or podcasting. Promote digital and recurring offers. Think software and memberships. This way, you're not relying on one income stream. You've got multiple automated systems working in the background. That's real passive income. Multiple small streams make one big river. Let's recap. You've built your system, you've set up traffic, and now you're automating and scaling. You're not just doing affiliate marketing. You're building a real online business that can pay you every single day. This is a significant milestone, and you should be proud of how far you've come. But remember, this is just the beginning. The journey to becoming a successful affiliate marketer is ongoing, and there are always new strategies to learn and implement. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me, what part of affiliate marketing do you want to learn more about? Is there a specific tool or strategy you're curious about? Maybe you're struggling with something particular, like driving traffic or converting leads. Whatever it is, let me know. Your feedback helps me create content that's tailored to your needs. I read every single comment and reply to as many as I can, so don't be shy. Engaging with you is one of the best parts of this journey. Your questions and insights not only help you, but also benefit the entire community. We're all in this together, learning and growing as we go. Like this video if you found it helpful, and share it with someone who wants to start an online business. Sharing is caring, and you never know who might need that extra push to get started. Plus, it helps grow our community, bringing in more like-minded individuals who are eager to learn and succeed. Subscribe so you don't miss more step-by-step tutorials and case studies I'll be dropping every week. Consistency is key in this business, and I'm committed to providing you with the best content to help you succeed. By subscribing, you ensure that you're always up to date with the latest tips and strategies. Also, check the description below to download your free affiliate funnel starter kit. This kit is packed with valuable resources that will give you a head start in your affiliate marketing journey. It includes a bonus list of the top 10 high-converting offers for 2025 and the passive income checklist. These tools are designed to help you streamline your efforts and maximize your results. Thanks for being part of the journey. I'll see you in the next video, where I will give you access to your next steps to scale up your earnings towards those super affiliate incomes that set you free from that 9-to-5 lifetime prison sentence. Imagine the freedom of working on your own terms, setting your own schedule, and achieving financial independence. It's not just a dream, it's a reality that's within your reach. Please leave a comment. Your input is invaluable and it helps me understand what you need to succeed. Whether it's a question, a suggestion, or just a word of encouragement, I want to hear from you. This channel is a community and your voice matters. Also, please subscribe because you won't want to miss my advanced next steps I myself am using today that others want to charge you $4,000 or more for, but not I. I believe in providing value and helping you achieve your goals without breaking the bank. My mission is to make high-quality education accessible to everyone. Like and share these videos so that others don't miss out on what's coming soon. The more we share, the more we grow as a community. Together we can achieve great things and support each other on this journey to success. Remember, the resources I provide are designed to give you a competitive edge. The Affiliate Funnel Starter Kit, the High Converting Offers List, and the Passive Income Checklist are just the beginning. There's so much more to come, and I'm excited to share it with you. Stay tuned for more in-depth tutorials, case studies, and insider tips that will help you take your affiliate marketing business to the next level. The journey to becoming a super affiliate is challenging, but with the right guidance and resources, it's entirely achievable. Thanks again for being part of this incredible journey. Your dedication and commitment are what make this community so special. I'm here to support you every step of the way, and I can't wait to see what you achieve. I'll see you in the next video where we'll dive even deeper into the strategies that will help you scale your business and achieve financial freedom. Until then, keep pushing forward, stay focused, and never stop learning. Remember, success in affiliate marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, effort, and persistence, but the rewards are well worth it. Keep implementing what you've learned, stay consistent, and you'll see the results. Towards those super affiliate incomes that set you free from that 9-to-5 lifetime prison sentence if you wish to live your life on your own terms. Please leave a comment. Your journey to financial freedom starts now, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Also, please subscribe because you won't want to miss my advanced next steps I myself am using today that others want to charge you $4,000 or more for, but not I. I'm committed to providing you with the best strategies and tools to help you succeed without the hefty price tag. Like and share these videos so that others don't miss out on what's coming soon. Together we can build a community of successful affiliate marketers who support and uplift each other. Thank you for being part of this journey. Your success is my success, and I'm here to help you every step of the way. Let's continue to learn, grow, and achieve great things together. Also, like and share these videos so that others don't miss out on what's coming soon. The more we share, the more we grow as a community. Together we can achieve great things and support each other on this journey to success.